Birds! 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 This is the Wild Republic, my entire Wild Republic bird collection. This is all of my Wild Republic birds set in the order by taxonomic order. So this is them all. As you probably know by now, I take videos with these guys, and they are from 1999 through 2024. Here's some buggies over here, and here's some frogs, and here's some mammals. And here is some extras that aren't by Wild Republic, but are birds that have sound that I happen to have. So, in order to hear all of their sounds, some of them do not work anymore. Either the boxes are broken, or their batteries are low, or any number of things.
Hello, I'm Carl the Cardinal. Is Bimbo watching this? Tell him I'm a big fan.
Alright, let's begin, birds. Alright, we have the ostrich chick. Baby emperor penguin, or emperor penguin chick. Little blue penguin. Snow goose. Nene, or the Hawaiian goose. Canada goose. Trumpeter swan. Wood duck. Large wood duck. Large mallard. Regular mallard. New design mallard. Mallard duckling. Canvasback. Common pochard. Northern bobwhite. Key clip California quail. Regular California quail. No sound. New design California quail. Ringneck pheasant. Another ringneck pheasant. These sound pretty much the same. Delaware blue. Rhode Island red. Fringe hen. Chick. Standard chicken chick. Red-legged partridge. Rock ptarmigan. Willow ptarmigan. Ruffed grouse. Atwater's greater prairie chicken. Wild turkey. Another wild turkey. That works. New design wild turkey. Flamingo. Rock dove. Turtle dove. Mourning dove. Greater roadrunner. Common cuckoo. Common night. Oh my god, look, it's Nighthawk. Hey there, I'm Nighthawk. Oh my god, it's Nighthawk. Look, it's Nighthawk. Is that Nighthawk? Oh wow, look, it's Nighthawk. Hello there, I am Nighthawk. Ruby-throated hummingbird. New design ruby-throated hummingbird. Small miniature version. Whooping crane. Hey, it's Crane. Howdy. Oyster catcher. Killdeer. Ringed plover. Pippin plover chick new design. Old design pippin plover chick. Long-billed curlew. Willet. Atlantic puffin. Two different versions, one with feet and one without. Ring-billed gull. Two of them. California gull. Common loon. Albatross. Brown pelican. Great egret. New design great egret. Great blue heron. Another great blue heron that works. California condor. Osprey. New design bald eagle. New design bald eagle. Second design bald eagle. Just like the print version, and this is the second version. First version bald eagle, without the fluff. Second version bald eagle key clip. Large bald eagle. He has a tie. New design red-tailed hawk. Red-tailed hawk key clip. Two red-tailed hawk key clips actually. Red-tailed hawk. Large red-tailed hawk. Another red-tailed hawk. Barn owl. Large barn owl. Key clip barn owl. Doesn't work. European snowy owl. American snowy owl. It's basically the same, but one was released first and in Europe. Alright, and we continue over here. Large great horned owl. Regular great horned owl. New design great horned owl. Northern spotted owl. Large great gray owl. Small great gray owl. Micronesian kingfisher. Laughing kookaburra. Another laughing kookaburra. Belted kingfisher. Downy woodpecker. Two versions. This is the first version. This is the second version from 2014. And here's the new design version with that print and such. Ivory-billed woodpecker. 3 of them. Female ivory-billed woodpecker. Great spotted woodpecker. Great spotted woodpecker, new designs. Northern flicker. New design northern flicker. Red-headed woodpecker. Weird looking red-headed woodpecker. Green woodpecker. Pileated woodpecker. Oh, no work. New design pileated woodpecker. Yellow-bellied sapsucker. Because that one doesn't work either. 2 yellow-bellied sapsuckers, one that's special and one that's not as special. Keel-billed toucan, none of which work. Over to our next group. American kestrel. Eurasian kestrel. Falcon. New design peregrine falcon. Large peregrine falcon. Old design peregrine falcon. Blue-fronted Amazon. Large blue-fronted Amazon. Blue and yellow macaw. Gala. Sulfur-crested cockatoo. Rainbow lorikeet. Crimson rosella. Imperial Amazon. Imperial Amazon large. St. Vincent Amazon large. Small St. Vincent Amazon. Or regular sized. Scarlet macaw. Guinean cock of the rock. Pied butcherbird. What's this doing here? What the? You can belong there. Eastern kingbird. Whoa. Whoa. Scissortail flycatcher. Red-eyed vireo. Another one that doesn't work. Blue jay. Another blue jay. Another blue jay. This is the new design, which does not work anymore. Western scrub jay. Eurasian jay. Hawaiian crow. Common raven. American crow. European barn swallow. American barn swallow. Another American barn swallow. Tree swallow. Purple martin. A new design purple martin. Black-capped chickadee. New design black-capped chickadee. Tufted titmouse. 2 of them. Great tit. Purple tit. Blue tit. New design blue tit. Long-tailed tit. Eurasian nuthatch. White-breasted nuthatch. House finch. Canyon wren. Canyon wren. Ren and Snoopy. Another canyon wren, neither work. Carolina wren. Cactus wren. Blue throat. Eastern bluebird. New design eastern bluebird. New design mountain bluebird. Old design mountain bluebird. Hermit thrush. Wood thrush. Wood thrush again. Another wood thrush. Song thrush. European blackbird. American robin news. American robin key clip. American robin old design. With the wrong sound. New design American robin. Brown thrasher. Northern mockingbird. European starling new design. European starling old design. Cedar waxwing. House sparrow. European house sparrow. Basically the same thing. New design house sparrow. Evening grosbeak. House finch. New design house finch. Purple finch. Common redpoll. American goldfinch of earmuffs. American goldfinch. Two new design American goldfinches. bullfinch, iwi, new design iwi, crested honeycreeper, Maui parrotbill, chaffinch, European goldfinch, greenfinch, yellowhammer, breed bunting, lark bunting, shipping sparrow, dark-eyed junco, song sparrow, swamp sparrow, new design eastern towhee, bobolink, eastern meadowlark, Key-clip western meadowlark, sorry. Western meadowlark new design. Hey, it's Bolt! Thank God Carl is not here, because I would have a headache. Baltimore Oriole. New design Baltimore Oriole. Hooded warbler. Kirtland's warbler. Common yellowthroat. Yellow-rumped warbler. Golden-winged warbler. Black-throated blue warbler. Scarlet tanager. I was about to say somewhere. Western tanager. Cardinal with a scarf. Yellow-billed northern cardinal. Classic northern cardinal. Miniature northern cardinal. Female northern cardinal. Miniature new design northern cardinal. And new design northern cardinal? Wait a minute. Whoa, whoa, whoa! It's Carl the Cardinal!
Hello! Hello, 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 hello. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. I'm Carl the Cardinal. Boing, boing, boing. Woo! Yep, yep. Yep, it up, bob it up, woo, woo, woo.
So we got Carl over here. This is the new design northern cardinal. I have 3 Carls. Female northern cardinal. Oh wait, I squeezed her already. Alrighty. Rose-breasted grosbeak. Blue grosbeak. Blue grosbeak. New design blue grosbeak. Painted bunting. Weird painted bunting. New design painted bunting. Dick Sissel. And here's some birds that aren't by Wild Republic, but are also sound toys. Antics Tui. This budgie, which has a canary sound for some reason. And this European robin knockoff. which also has a canary sound, and this guy, who used to work but doesn't anymore. Oh, I almost forgot this place right here. I almost forgot these guys. Oh well. New design red-winged blackbird. Another new design red-winged blackbird. Old design red-winged blackbird. Key clip red-winged blackbird. Old design. Even older red-winged blackbird design. Common grackle. Superb fairy wren. European starling. So yeah, that is all of the birds. That is a lot of birds. Man, that's a lot of birds. However, there's some other knowledgeable things down here. Which are these? Which are also by Wild Republic, but aren't birds. But are also sound toys. Let's start with these mammals. Here's Nighthawk's pet dog. Rover, I think. This is a, Australian Shepherd. Yeah, he's not doing so well. Grey Wolf. Doesn't work anymore. Bison. Grey Pit Bull. Pug. Coyote. New design coyote. Elk. Great, red squirrel. Leopard. Okay, ladybug, who does not work anymore, but it did make a buzz sound at one point. It's not my fault though. Bee. Mosquito. Look, has blood too. Dragonfly. Grasshopper. This one's really cool. Okay, for the frogs, from the Frog Watch series, Frog Watch, I think, something like that. Oh, what's this one? Pacific tree frog. Spring peeper, which doesn't work anymore, which is a real shame. Eastern spadefoot. Northern leopard frog. Eastern narrowmouth frog. Cricket frog. Bullfrog. Blue poison dart frog. Well, that's all. That's all of them. Bye, fellow Cardinal fans. I will be watching you sleep. Every move, every twist. I'll be there and I'll be watching. There's no escape from Carl the Cardinal. Alright, so that was goodbye from your favorite mentally ill cardinal. Hey, I'm not mentally ill. Yeah, you are. Go back to the other cardinals. Actually... Oh, brother! Oh, brother, does this guy stink? Why'd you put Carl next to me? Why? Why would you treat me like this? Hey, Bolts! By the way, new Bolt Carl video sometime this week.